What's up? It's your big brother Trenius, man. You tuned in once again to the famous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we do right. Let me get some light up in here, man. I got to get some light in because I got to talk to y'all, man. It's your big brother, man. Y'all already know the drill. Turn the volume up right now on your phone. Turn the volume up on your TV. Turn it up, man, because we got some business to talk. We about to talk about some business. Listen. Listen, I'm still out here in Miami, Florida right now. About to go to Tampa Bay, Florida. Your boy be jet setting nowadays. It ain't like I was in high school. Listen, I'm about to talk about some real shit, man. It's your big brother, the Trenius, man. Y'all know what we doing, Star Seeds. Constantly co-creating our own reality. Stay tuned to the end of this video because you already know I got something very special for you. All right. Listen, I'm gonna tell you something right now. Listen. The more you keep making progress in your life, the more you just keep, every day you wake up, you're like, okay, I'm gonna give it all I got. I'm gonna give it all I got. Today I'm gonna be successful. I know you woke up, you were saying it to yourself. You was like, you know what? I don't know what's gonna come out today, but I know I'm going to do something special today that's going to add more value to who I am as a person. Somebody going to bless me today. I'm going to get a blessing today. It's coming. Today is the day. Listen, today is that day. Listen, this that day. I ain't about to tell you nothing that you don't already know. It's your big brother. I'm just confirming to you what you already know. Okay? Listen, man. The more you reach your highest potential in your life, the whole world around you gonna make you think that you not in your highest potential. I'm telling you what's gonna happen. I see it happening to a lot of people all the time who I talk to on the phone. People around you is gonna make you feel like you are invaluable. People around you is gonna do some weird ass, negative ass, toxic shit to you for no reason. You know why? You know why the universe always give you the opposite? Because the universe know where you want to go. So in order for you to get to where you want to be, you got to go through storms, man. You probably been going through some negative shit the past 24 hours, the past 48 hours, this past week. Okay? You probably been like, yo, why is people against me? Why did he walk out on me like that? What did I do? Why did he cheat on me? Why can't nobody be for me? Why it feel like I'm always going against the grain? Why it feel like every time I look up, it's another obstacle? Like, damn, can I ever get it right? That's you. But you know why that's happening? You know why that's happening? It's because you are constantly becoming your greatest version. You becoming at your highest potential. And see, here's the thing, what's going to happen if you know you becoming successful and you living out your dreams, all right? What's going to happen is you're going to start outgrowing people. You're going to start outgrowing people. You're going to start outgrowing your environment. This shit ain't even going to feel like you belong there no more. I don't even know where you stay at or nothing. I don't know who you stay with. I don't know what you got going on in your life. But I'm pretty sure you like, yo, why am I here? Why do I feel like I'm stuck in this situation and in this environment? You know why? Because you have outgrown it. You have outgrown the situation. When you start getting bigger and bigger and becoming more successful and becoming more stronger all the time, people around you ain't even gonna be on your level, dog. But they gonna try to act like they on your level. They gonna try to act like they can lift the same amount of weight as you just because they're your same size, but it doesn't matter. You see how Jake Paul got his ass beat by little short Floyd Mayweather. Size don't matter. You could be short, tall, it don't matter. I told y'all in 2021, the new success is mental health. If you're not mentally strong, if you can't let petty shit go, you know what I mean? If you can stop reacting to the petty shit, you mentally strong. That's one of the other things that's going to happen when you start to become successful. Everybody's going to try to pull you down by trying to get you to react to some bullshit. They want you to be a part of their problem. People are going to be wanting you to save them. People are going to be wanting you to give them money. People are going to be wanting you to provide for them, to throw them a fucking life jacket so they can get on your level and get where you at. They don't want to get their own life jacket, but they want to beat off of you though. I'm telling y'all what this success is all about. It's deep. But it's only the strong gonna survive. If you ain't emotionally stable, hey, you're gonna be thrown to and fro. You're gonna shift in the wind. Every time something happens, you're gonna go out of control because you're not emotionally strong. See, to be successful, you gotta have all this shit down pat. You gotta be emotionally strong, you gotta be spiritually strong, you gotta be physically healthy and fit, all right? You gotta have all this shit together because there's gonna be so much different things thrown at your way every day just because of who you are. If you're walking with that much confidence, you feel good about yourself when you go out in the public. If you're walking with that much compliments, you're going to have people sizing you up and down. Why? Because you walk with confidence. It's a lot of girls that don't got confidence like you. So when you walking with your head held high, like ain't nothing getting to you because you a boss bitch, you queen, all right? Because you did your self-development work. You worked on yourself. You worked on your spirit. You worked on your emotions. Okay, you're going to have a lot of girls that just try you and just do shady shit to you to try to get you to react, to try to bring your energy down, to keep you from being on that level of frequency that's called success. This is what it's all about. But see, this is how you keep winning, though. Niggas going to come left and right at you. I'm telling you. You ain't, listen, obstacles never going to stop. They're going to keep coming and keep coming and keep coming. People going to keep turning on you. They're going to keep turning on you, turning their back on you, talking shit about you, playing you down, treating you like they is, a Decepticon. They're going to start treating you like them. They're going to say that you are like them. But the more that you are able to become immune to the BS, the more you are able to let that shit just fall off of you like a waterproof jacket and don't let it get to you and you keep moving on and on. Oh, today is going to be a good day. Today is going to be a good day. You're going to have a lot of people that turn you down. You're going to ask people for things that you really need. All right? Like you really need this. You know what I mean? Like, listen, I ain't never asked nobody for nothing, bro. You know what I mean? But dog, I'm really trying to, I'm trying to bring my vision into reality. And if you could please, just let me put my shit in your closet. That's it. If you could please just let me get your car for like 1 hour, dog, I promise you, I'll bring your shit back to you. I even bring you a tip on top of that. It ain't gonna be no small tip. But if you just let me, if you believe in me this one time, I got you. You know what they gonna tell you? Somebody just took the words right out of my mouth already. No, I can't help you. But funny, huh? It's funny because you was always doing for them. You was always helping them. You was always calling them and checking up on them and see how they was doing. But why is it that can't nobody do shit for you? Huh? You bought them some clothes, but why they ain't buy you shit? You got your girl hair done, but why she ain't get your hair cut? That's what I'm talking about. This is what you're going to understand when you start to become successful, when you start reaching your highest potential. See, the thing is, you're going to be in a much better position than a lot of your friends. You're going to be in a much better position than a lot of your family. They going to see you as the breadwinner because you wearing a smile on your face. See, you can't just go everywhere and just take pictures and post that shit on Instagram no more. No, niggas is stereotypically judging you based on what you post. If you take a picture inside of a mansion, your whole family gonna start tripping. If you riding in a damn AMG Mercedes and it ain't even yours, it's your homeboy shit, your family gonna think something about that. Like, where they do that at? They holding out on me? You start taking trips, they gonna say, oh, you got some money. I'm not helping you no more. You know what I'm saying? Because we live in a world nowadays where everybody judge you off of what they see, not what they know. People judging you off of what they see you do, not what they know. But guess what? The thing that they don't know and how you got to where you at is because you don't go operate off what you see. You operate off faith. You walk by faith and not by sight. See, they don't understand this shit. It's spiritual. They think just because what they see is true. But they looking in through an illusion. But where you going and the place that you are right now in your life, you got there by sheer faith and belief. Listen, it's your big brother Tren, man. If this video resonating with you right now, give this video a thumbs up, man. Just give Big Bro a thumbs up right now. If this video touching your spirit right now, it's touching mine. I'm gonna have to go back and watch this shit. Shit. I'm telling you, when you start becoming successful and great at your craft, whatever you do, if you design clothes, if you a nurse, you could be a maid, interior designer, author, writer, whatever you do, the more good you get at your craft, the more you become more successful and continue to reach your greatest potential, you're going to notice a lot of people is going to begin to turn on you. Why? Because they want to be where you at, but they just haven't put the work in yet. And just because you don't want to help them, because to each his own, everybody got to go make their own bed up. When you in boot camp in the Army, that's the first thing they teach you. Do you know how to make your damn bed at least? Shit, we know you need guidance, but damn it, do you know how to make up a bed and line the pillows up and shit? Simple shit. And just because you know how to make your bed up and they left their shit everywhere, they mad at you because your bed look neat. And you getting blessed, you getting rewarded. Because divine powers is always working for you because you did it right. I just want y'all to be aware, man. Listen, I'm the mailman. I'm just delivering the message. Don't get mad at me. Listen, I just want y'all to be aware, man. On your journey to success and becoming the best at what you do, on your journey, everybody is going to try to get to you. Everybody is going to want a little piece from you. They're going to want a piece of your pie and what you created and what you're doing and what you built. And the moment you start to stay within your own, yourself, and you say, you know what, listen, man, I'm going to keep my money, man. They're going to turn on you. They're going to ask you for your hard-earned money that you work so tirelessly hard for. And they're going to feel obligated to take your shit for them. And what they gonna give you? Nothing. But they gonna tell you, you owe me this shit, man. Because look at where you at right now. And look at where I'm still at. You owe me your damn money that you work hard for. They gonna say you owe me for being your friend. When I left you all them years, you owe me for that. Because I was the best friend that you ever had, girl. But I left your ass, though, because I couldn't stand being around you because you was becoming greater than me. They gonna say, you owe me, dog. Bro, all them girls gonna come back and they gonna say, you owe me. You remember how many times I was letting you have some of this? You owe me. You owe me, dog. You owe me some cash. Give me some money and send me cash out right now. You remember me in high school? Yeah. I didn't want to talk to you in high school because you was a lame in high school. I didn't know you was the chosen one. But now I see that you the chosen one. Do you remember me? Huh? No. Where they do that at? No, I don't remember your ass. I forgot. I'm just letting you know. Big Brother Tren just letting you know what's going on. How they do you. I'm telling you, this is real shit. This real. I can't sugarcoat this. I can't make this up. I done seen it too many times happen to a chosen one like yourself. Be mindful of who you are and what you're going to be facing. If you can go through the whole rest of this day by not letting petty shit get to you and not reacting to things that don't go your way, okay? Don't get mad. If somebody say no, okay, cool, keep going. If you get turned down, she don't want to give you a number, cool, all right, you keep going. It's a million girls out there. Trust me, God will line you over somebody that's way better than her. Don't worry about it. If you didn't get that job today, okay, cool. Fuck it. It's another one gonna come. It's another opportunity gonna come your way. They didn't answer your email, well, cool. That's fine. They didn't write you back in the text, well, cool, that's fine. They ain't their feelings. They mad, they hurt. You still happy though. Keep your energy high. Keep your energy high and stay in your own lane and focus on yourself, and you will keep all your energy to yourself, and you won't have to give your energy to these Decepticons who don't got none. And they're the ones that's trying to do everything to make you feel bad about your success. They just want you to feel bad about who you are. That's all they want to do, because they miserable on the inside, but they smile in your face. I'm keeping it real. So listen, man, it's your big bro. You know I had to get on here and talk my shit. Listen, man. Had to give you that dose today. You know what I'm saying? That fix. Because I know I got it. I got it. You know what I'm saying? But nah, real talk. Be mindful of who you associate with. Be mindful of the situation you in right now. Don't let this bullshit get to you. You successful. You on the right path. If you watching this video up until this point, you are on the right path. You feel me? You on the right path. Everything gonna work out to your favor. All the time, because divine powers are always working for us because we do right. I told you, man, if you stayed to the end of this video, Big Brother got something special for you, all right? Now, this is for the special ones that stay tuned to the end of this video. This is for the new people out there, all right? Y'all already know I got this in the loop. I got about 20 emails right now. I'm going to respond to y'all in a minute. I told y'all yesterday when y'all watched my video yesterday, I'm discounting my Money Vortex 1, 2, and 3 by like $50. Okay? Because I know everybody ain't got it like the people that got it before. You know, I understand the situation, what it might be. So I'm doing this for people that don't really got it like that. I got you covered. If you want the Money Vortex 1, 2, and 3 from me, and you just trying to change your whole finances, and you trying to attract money energetically, okay, metaphysically, get in contact with me. Send Big Brother an email right now, TrenusHenderson@gmail.com. I will send it to you today as soon as I get off this plane flight. First come, first serve now. I still got 20 people that I ain't hit back yet. So I'm going to hit them, and then I'm going to hit you right next when you decide that you want to get it from me. All right? Also, if you're not a part of my new vlog, make sure you go down in the comment section. It's going to be a link down there for my new vlog I'm about to start up, all right? Go make sure you subscribe to my new vlog channel, Tren the Big Bro. It's coming, all right? And also make sure you subscribe to my Travel 4K walkthrough channel. I'm about to be showing y'all every city that I go to, walking through it, you know, showing y'all 4K Ultra HD footage of everything, man, just so you can see before you actually make plans to go anywhere. I probably already been there before. So I'm about to go back and redo all that and show y'all these walkthroughs of these beautiful places like Miami Beach, South Beach, Florida down here. You know what I mean? So, hey, it's your big bro, man. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon, and make sure you got the bell notification turned on so every time I upload a new video, you'll get it first on your phone. It's your big bro, man. I'll see y'all in Tampa Bay. Peace.